What's up, guys? It's Titus. I'm back with another video, and today we'll talk about 5 tips that you need to know as a content creator, small YouTuber, anything in the industry of YouTube, creating content and things like that. So before we get started, shout out to a trader named, one of the subscribers, a trader named, I think it was Evan. Correct me if I'm wrong, but shout out to you for asking a question. You asked, what can I do to start YouTube or something like that. In that regard, well, today I have 5 tips for you guys that can help you get started and keep you going doing YouTube. So, number 1, we have your mindset. So, for your mindset, if you come into YouTube thinking you're gonna get $1 million overnight, think about it. Overnight, it's not happening, buddy. Give it up. I'm not saying it's impossible, but if you really think about it, it's not gonna happen overnight. Those people who done it overnight, they dropped multiple videos before. So make sure your mindset is right. Coming into the YouTube or creator industry with just doing what you love. Like, do whatever you like doing for fun, or creating, doing art, doing whatever you like doing for fun. Just do it for free until eventually you get monetized for it. So just come in with the right mindset, knowing that the results aren't gonna show up as soon as you start. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just come in knowing I'm not gonna be a millionaire overnight. Just come in, hey, I gotta put in some work, I gotta put in some time for me to be able to monetize what I like doing on my free time or for fun. Number 2, and these are in no sort of order, these are just written down. You can put whatever order you like it in or whatever. So number 2, consistency. You gotta be consistent with whatever you do. I've been inconsistent myself. I haven't been consistent. I haven't been dropping videos. I think the last time I dropped videos other than this past spring break was like 3-4 weeks ago. That's very inconsistent. So number 2, you gotta be consistent. Everybody's not gonna be consistent in the first go. You're not. It takes time to get into the groove of things. Okay, I gotta do this at this time, I gotta do this at that time. And then once it starts flowing easy, it's like another chore. You taking out the trash, basically. That's basically like what you're doing. Alright. So just make sure you stay consistent in whatever you do. If you're a gamer and you want to stream for an hour every day, okay, set up your stuff, set up your streaming gear, set up everything a few hours before or whatever you have to do. And then so when you get ready to get on there for that certain time period, say 8 to 9, you have everything set up. All you gotta do is just turn on the game and start playing. So just make it easier for yourself to stay consistent. Set up things in place for yourself to make it much easier for yourself. Okay. Number 3, we have your surroundings. Not just like your bedroom. I'm talking about like the people around you. Look at the people around you. See if they are motivated in any sort of way. If they're not, that's not the people to be around. Cut them off. Just like that. Real talk. No skipping around, bushes, this and that. No. Real talk. Cut them off. If they're not helping you in any sort of way, not motivating you, trying to push you, bro. Like, why don't you start a YouTube, man? Why don't you do this? You're pretty nice at game. Like, if they're not pushing you in any sort of way, like, they shouldn't. Is that really your friend? Think about it. Is that really your friend? Even family sometimes, like, they, oh man, I don't thank you. Don't even worry about it. Don't even think about it. Those are the people that give up on their own dreams. You don't want to give up on your dreams. Keep pushing until you make it. You will make it if you really want to be there. So just look at your surroundings. 1 second. You know, Siri's acting a fool right now, so because I got my AirPods in. So like I was saying, your surroundings. Even if there's negative people around you, just try to like cut it out. So if somebody says something negative to you in your house or in your friend group or whatever, just shut it off. Don't let it affect you in any sort of way. Don't let it get in your head. So just don't worry about it. It's simple as that. And another thing you can do if you're stressed about things, just meditate for like a minute, 5 minutes. Anything that sort, just clear your mind. So, and that also helps with your mindset. Clearing your mind, putting yourself into the right mindset. So yeah, that's pretty much what that, your surroundings is. Your mindset, consistency, and your surroundings. That's the first three. And it all starts with your mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, it's going to be hard to start doing these certain things, starting to be consistent. Because if you're negative, oh man, I'll never be a big. If you say stuff like that, cut that out. I can't. Like, even sometimes I don't say it as often, but sometimes I say I can't in a jokingly way. But you shouldn't do that. Number 4 is discipline. You gotta have the discipline. If you say you're gonna do it, you gotta do it. You have to. No, I'll do it tomorrow. No, you can't. I was gonna do this video tomorrow, on Saturday. I was supposed to do it, today's supposed to be the day. I was gonna push it to Saturday. But discipline. I gotta have the discipline to be able to create this video right now. I have to have the discipline to be able to upload the video, to post it, to edit it. Even though I don't have great editing skills. If there's any editors out there, like show me how to edit, teach me how to edit. Yeah. And number 5 is quality. Make sure your videos look great, sound great. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you can, because I need a quality video this time. I just need a quality video because that's my few other videos. I could hardly hear myself. I don't know if it was because I had a mic connected to it and all sorts of things, but don't even worry about it. So, if you get one thing out of this, if you don't even know what I was talking about the whole time, you just glancing off, you let the video on, the main thing it starts with is your mindset. If you can't change your mindset into thinking, I'll be a big YouTuber one day, I'll have 1 million subscribers, I'll have whatever, it's not gonna work. You gotta change what's up here before you change what's out here. If you don't change what's up here, it's not gonna work. So if you didn't get anything else out of this video, you better have got, make sure your mindset is right. If y'all stay to the end, put make sure your mindset is right in the comments. Okay? Even though hey, shout out to those all my supporters, everybody that's supporting you or supporting me. I love y'all. Like, it's I never thought I'd have 1,000 views. Like, I had 1,000 views on YouTube, you know? Like, it's crazy to me because I was looking at, like, another thing is, this is a extra side note. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna have to edit. Don't compare yourself with other people. Compare yourself with your past self. Compare yourself with the man in the mirror. A man or woman in the mirror. You know? Because if you compare yourself to a big YouTuber, you're gonna start having doubts. I can't do it. How does he? Like, you're supposed to worry about yourself, not nobody else. No, that's not how it goes. Don't worry about what anybody else got going on. Worry about what you got going on. Because you can't control what they got going on. You can only control what you have going on. You know? So make sure y'all get y'all mindset straight and do all this stuff on here. And guess what? Nobody's perfect. Hopefully y'all knew that. Nobody's perfect. And I'm gonna be working on this stuff too. Make sure y'all let me know in the comments if I'm dropping trash videos, some trash stuff. Tell me, bro, this is trash. I do not want to see this, bro. I like that because it helps me fix and perfect what I'm doing. So don't just say the video is great or whatever. Just tell me, hey, can you I know there's a little trick to where you can edit this to make this happen or something. We're all here to help each other out, and that's my goal is to motivate and inspire other people all around the world, everywhere. My goal is it's big dreams, big goals. I'm going to reach them. Hey, I'm going to reach them. This video might be 30 minutes, boy. This video is gonna be long, bro. I'm gonna still drop it though. I'm gonna probably edit. But like I was saying, just be authentic. I don't know if I said it before, just be real on camera too. Like, don't be other people, be yourself. I know you probably heard it a million times, but I'm gonna say it again because a lot of people want to be other people. Just be yourself. Like, and try to like motivate and inspire people around you. You know, just try to inspire them to either if they've never done anything before, try to inspire them to, hey, you should try to invest in, man. It's a great way to make you feel better about yourself and make you like whatever. Just try to motivate or inspire anybody. That's my goal, to motivate and inspire millions, even billions, the whole globe, basically. So hopefully I'm gonna make it happen. Y'all best believe me, like I'm making that happen, boy. I'm finna have everybody, they finna be looking at this same YouTube video. Mark my words, they finna be looking at the same YouTube video 10 years from now, be like, dang, he was right. Because why? I believe, and I got support from you guys. So it's just great knowing I have supporters. Like, even on the down days, like, I be looking like, I see the subscriber, I be like, dang, I really got a subscriber who would subscribe to me. Like, it's amazing to me how like people, they comment on your stuff. Everybody that you don't know is more supportive of you or to you than people that you know. Like being 100% real to you, like people that don't, like it blows my mind. Cause I don't know about you. When I was growing up, I was thinking it's supposed to be your family or friends or whatever. They supposed to be main supporters, rooting you on, ready to go. But once you do something that seems a little bit better or seems a little bit like you're doing more, I don't want to say you're doing more than them, but it seems like you're putting in more work and more effort to achieve your dreams than they once did or were or trying to do. They don't like that for some reason. But remember, it all starts with your mindset. Get your mindset, get your head right. Because if you don't have your head right, you're not gonna get fed right. That's a bar, no? Like, alright, peace out, y'all. This is probably a 30-minute video. I'm probably gonna put it in 2 parts. I don't want to do that because, man, I'll just put it in 2 parts. So it won't be so long clips, you know? I'll catch y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all stay safe out there.